Today's feature is on the Hot Wheels RLC, the Nissan Skyline R34. Very excited about this casting. I missed out the casting for the Bayside Blue because of the difference in time zone while I was in Japan. And now very happy to have this R34 in Spectraflame purple. This is my only R34 and I'm going to open it, of course. It comes with a standard RLC 2020 iron-on, the standard button or pin for every release. Although this club car comes in thousands, it still looks gorgeous. What I really like is the opening hood feature for the R34 and also on the paint job. Behind you can see the casting as well, just like any RLC card. The summary for the R34. I think what stands out is definitely the Spectraflame purple and all the details. Wow, this R34 looks real good. Looking very sharp, fantastic paint job. And just look at the incredible details on the engine bay. It's fantastic. It's very detailed with high quality control. I'm very pleased with this casting. Really like the 5 spokes wheel set as well. It comes in chrome silver. Tons of details at the rear. And what really stands out is the exhaust. Very nice painted details. Base is very cool, very finished. The headlights are printed in livery. What really stands out is the painted GTR logo with fantastic details. This R34 casting also pairs very well with the RWB aero leaf. You can see their color scheme is the same in purple. Very nice. They really looks great as a pair and it's fantastic. Paint job for this R34 will no doubt stands out in diecast photography. The Spectraflame purple is looking really cool. And this casting is definitely a very nice addition to my Hot Wheels Skyline collection. More Hot Wheels features coming. And remember to subscribe to my new channel, Hot Customs Unboxing. You can refer to the link down below in the comment section. Thanks everyone. Bye.